my channel. I just came in here and I was looking at my plants. So this is gonna be pretty much a video like what happened to you or what happened to my succulent. I've had this plant already over a year, and I beheaded it and it was doing just fine. It looks good when you look at it from the top, but I need to hurry up because the sun has started hitting my phone and it'll get hot. But I noticed some stuff. I noticed a little black leaf, so now I'm gonna pull it out all the way. And I don't know what happened to her. Half of her stem is black. I did recently move her to this side where she can get more light. But this is not burned to me. This is not burned because all the leaves look good. Can you guys see that? And it's not raw. I just don't know what it is. I haven't seen any bugs. I don't see anything moving in there. I haven't seen any white stuff because normally I'll see white stuff. Is that something? No, I don't see anything. This sucks. I really like this one. This is Echeveria subtilis, also called Morning Beauty. So I have no idea why this happened. No idea. Maybe it was some type of fungus. Yeah, so half of the stem on the side, which sucks because this side looks okay and then the other side looks terrible. But I'm gonna have to go really up high. The leaves look salvageable. I'm not too upset because I have a big beautiful one that looks like a little tree. But yeah, she was a beauty, this one. You know what I need? I need to buy new pliers, pliers to cut. And then also like an alcohol spray so that I can spray my pliers every time I use it. So I have to behead this pretty high up. And there is no bugs. I don't see any bugs in there. No white stuff. I did buy something to try out. I'm trying it to kill the bugs. I'm gonna use these scissors because I don't really use them to cut anything, like any plants. But today I'm gonna use it for this one. Let me see how far up. Look at how far up the damage was going. It's a little bit of brown right here, but I think that might go away. So I think I'm gonna see how this little piece does. I'm gonna have to let it dry, put it over here, and there's some shade down here. And this is what the stem looks like up close, guys. So I don't know what that was. There's no bugs. Something was messing it up from the inside. I have no... Oh, there it is. There's like a worm. Looks like a really small itty-bitty caterpillar thingy. Oh, you see it right there? See it moving around? There it is. I think that's the little sucker that killed my plant. There it is, you little bastard. I have a new product that I'm using. I'm not going to recommend it, obviously, because I just started using it, so I don't know if it works. But yeah, I'll let you guys know down the line if I don't have any more bug issues. But yep, I believe that's what killed my plant. Now I'm going to squash it. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying your day. There's my old man over there Tazzy, waiting for me to let him in because it's hot. And I'm gonna kill this thing. And I think I might even pour something on it just because I don't want it to spread anywhere. I'm gonna throw it far away, but still, I just want to make sure I don't get it anywhere. Okay guys, you guys have a blessed day. Bye bye.